My name is Tuli. I'm from Lakemba. I just thought I would make a video, like, just about me, like, what I do and shit. Most days I do go to the gym. And I do, like, I start my day going to the gym. And then I come home and then I just, like, usually go to work if it's a weekday. But some days I don't go to work because it's weekends. I work in the supplement shop. People buy a lot of supplements, but they don't often, like, they don't get it, like, the eating side of it as well. Like, how to get massive, it's not just all about the supplements. You have to also eat, like I eat 8 times a day. I try to eat every 75 minutes. It's time for food. My mum is Lebanese. I've been to Lebanon a few times, and it's good. The only problem in Lebanon is that there is not very much, like, not good gyms and that. Like, they have gyms, but they don't have, like, the amount of powerlifting equipment that we have here, and they don't have very good supplements. And yeah, good one. Oh, April Fool's Day was April Fool's the other day. I told my mum, I said, Mum, oh, my bicep have blown up, like, because of the supplements and that, and the muscles and everything. And she says, Tuli, you're full of shit, eh? Like, she didn't even believe it, eh? She knew. So that didn't work for me. Alright, well, good one. That's my first video. I'll talk to you later. You have a good day and shit.